How to turn off parental controls on Fortnite. So first, you just simply need to click on your profile here at the top, right? Then click here on the three line icon just below the settings icon. Click on that. Then you will see the parental controls option right here. Click on that. And here you will need to enter the 6-digit parental control pin. So if you know it, you simply need to put it right there. But if you don't know, you need to ask the person that set it up for you to enter the pin right here. But for me, I already know my pin, so I'm just going to input it right here. Now I'm currently logging into the parental controls. And as you can see, I now have the parental controls right here. And you could change anything that you want right here. But for me, I'm just going to simply disable it. And to do that, just simply click on disable right here. Click on confirm. And as you can see, success, all settings have been reset to the least restrictive available option. Now you can just go exit. And that's basically it.